feet. And then just take a moment to scan your body. If you want, close your eyes for that, just for this moment, and just observe where you might be feeling tension, right? Is there something going on maybe in the shoulders, in the back, in the hips? And just take a few moments to move the body around in any way that you feel like you need to, right? Any sort of instinctual movement for those default areas of tension in our body. And then take a moment just to recenter, and for that you can open your eyes. So just make sure that you have your ears stacked over your hips, right? Shoulders rolling down the back. And then your choice, either palms down, which is more grounding. For today, I suggest palms facing upward, which is more receiving of energy. But of course, if this feels physically uncomfortable in the body, then you can flip your palms down. And then allow the eyes to close. So I've been thinking a lot the past few days just about my life in general and things that I, used to want when I was maybe in like my early 20s and even into my late 20s. And what I want now, right? I'm 40, I'm almost 41. And just how those things kind of shift. And I used to think that there was like something wrong with me, because things might shift a lot. But then I just realized that I was just growing, and maybe growing out of things or growing into things. And there's really nothing wrong with that, right? And I started to accept the fact that change was just this inevitable part of life. And I started to roll with it. And I was in the shower yesterday, and I had like literally 30 seconds to take a shower because my daughter had to get in the shower as well. So my instinct was to take like a semi-cool shower to make it less enticing to stay in, and then I would just get out and then give her the bathroom. And as I stepped into the shower and I felt the water on my skin and, all the benefits of cool water and all this stuff, right? But then I realized what I really wanted. And I really wanted a nice hot shower because I was freezing and my bedroom's always pretty cold. And then I thought to myself, why shouldn't I enjoy every single moment of my life? Right? Right? Why shouldn't this 30-second shower be something that I enjoy? Right? Tomorrow is never a guarantee. 10 minutes from now is never a guarantee. So maybe this is my last shower. And why shouldn't it be the best, warmest, most comforting shower? When I was younger, my mom used to give me like her little makeup things that she would get from like the department store when she would get like her full-size makeup, right? And I would always save it. Like, for what? I would save it thinking like, oh, maybe I'll have a special occasion to go to and I'll use this really nice makeup or this cool like hair mask or a face mask. And then when I finally moved out of our house, I had all these things saved up that I never even used. And then they ended up in the garbage anyway. So always reminding yourself that this is not a dress rehearsal, guys. Like, this is it. This is all we get. So making the best out of each individual movement is so important. So if you have 30 seconds to take a shower, make it the best shower. If someone gives you something, don't save it. Maybe it's like, you drink wine or champagne and you're like, oh, I'll save this for a special occasion. Every day is a special occasion. And when you start really thinking of your life as this beautiful moment, you start to really enjoy every part of it. Take a nice full deep breath in. And a nice deep breath out through the mouth. Another deep breath in. And deep breath out. One more breath in. And release. And just allow the breath to find its natural rhythm. Observing each inhale and each exhale. Feeling the beauty within every single breath. And reminding yourself that you are worth it. Whatever it is, whatever you want, you are worth it. So either silently to yourself or out loud, let's repeat a mantra just to take us through the day as a little reminder. I will live my life to its fullest. 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 And then very slowly begin to deepen your breath. Allow your palms to meet at heart center, representing balance and harmony, and bowing your chin to your throat. Just taking this time to thank and honor yourself. Doing something positive for your inner peace and to help restore balance. I bow to the light and love in you that is the light and love in me. Namaste. Thank you guys so much. So go out and live your life today. Go have cake for breakfast. Go wear your sparkly shoes. Go use your famous brand makeup, right? Don't wait for a special occasion. Use your fine china if that's even a thing anymore, right? But don't wait, right? Today is a beautiful day, and go out and live it. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much, for logging on every day. It's so amazing to see the same group. This community is incredible, and we are so grateful for all of you. Love you guys. Aw, thanks guys. Thank you, Grace and Kristen. Namaste. Oh, yes, Doris, use your special soap. I love it. Thank you guys. You're awesome. Mwah. Love you.